How you doing? Tips, skills, and tricks. Let's see what we got today. Come on. I got this banana image right here. Looking good. Click the banana image. Go to subject selection. Select subject. There you go, looking good. Put a mask on it and pick horizontal type mask 2. Click on that. And then click here and type something like graphics. Too long. Let's make it graphic. How about that? Graphic. And then now to move it, let's pick any selection tool. Come over here and right click. Transform selection like that. And then we can move it here on the banana. Make the graphics bigger or longer like that. Then come over here and click warp mode. In the warp mode, you can play with the warp mode. Let me just zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Warp it until it almost covers the whole banana, like that. No, there's no need to be super accurate with this. You just need to, just to make sure it goes nicely with the banana like that. But on the corners, like here, here, and here, here, make sure it touches the banana. Okay, touches like this. Make it go overboard. See, let me zoom in. See, go overboard like that. Come over the layers, duplicate this layer. Come on now. Come on now. No, no, no. Duplicate the layer. There you go. Close this one. Take this one. Make the mask out of this. Layer mask. Voila, just like that. Then now you could, let me see. You could bring this one back. Come over here. Make another mask. And then now go over to brush tool, make sure it's black. You can change it by clicking X and then start removing some banana. Make the brush a bit bigger, brush out the banana. Brush out the banana, brush out the banana, brush out the banana until you see all the letters underneath like that, right? Now click X to bring back the white like this. So now you can bring back until you kind of touch that banana like that. Now, because this is a C, I'm gonna cover all of it like that. Okay. Okay, now it's gonna say graphy. Graphy. Okay. But you get it though, you get it. Maybe make the brush smaller this time. Where is it? Where is it? Brush. Make the brush smaller. That way I could make sure I don't get inside the letters like that. And now let's go and create a solid color. And that solid color, we're going to bring it below everything. And then double click on the solid color and pick the banana color. Which one? This one. Zoom in. Make a layer. The layer, use a brush tool. Double click the color. Background, make it a bit lighter. Like that. Okay, then make the brush very big like that, but make it very soft like that. Come over here and just click one time. Click. Nope, that's actually too big. Make it, click one time. There you go. Control T and then smoosh it like that. Bring it under everything like that. And then click here, expand it like that. Expand it. There you go. Come over to fill, make the fill 36%. Maybe change the color. Nevertheless, I think I like it like this. And now I could just click all of this, both of this actually, make it a group. Then maybe let's give it a strong vibrancy. Okay, make clip immense, give it a strong vibrancy like that. Strong vibrancy like that. All of it. Good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our tips, tricks, and skills for today. And I have more interesting videos just like this in my channel. Go ahead and scroll down, click your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry, it's night. It's night. I'm tired. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in a scroll.